Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix insufficient balance on crypto.com. First of all you have to do is open your crypto.com app on your phone. You will land on the dashboard. To withdraw your money without getting an insufficient balance error, all you have to do is go to the accounts, which is on the bottom. Now on this page, you'll be able to see your crypto wallet and fiat wallet. The insufficient balance error occurs when you have zero balance on your fiat wallet. As you can see, my total balance is in the crypto wallet, not in the fiat wallet. To fix your problem, first of all you have to do is convert your crypto wallet balance into fiat wallet. To convert your crypto wallet into fiat wallet, what you have to do is go to the home page once again. From here, what you have to do is you will see a button called Sell. You have to click on Sell. Now as you can see, it is showing me sell cryptocurrency. I have some cryptocurrency on here. What you have to do is select the cryptocurrency that you want to sell. For example, I will select Ethereum. Click on Ethereum. Then on this page you have to select market order. Click on market order and then you have to choose market price. Click on market price, a new page will open. Then you have to select the cash option, which is just beside the crypto option. And then you have to either enter your amount that you want to convert from your crypto balance to your fiat balance. After entering the amount, you have to click on Sell, and then your crypto wallet balance will be converted into your fiat balance, the one that you have typed in the previous section. Then go back to home page once again and click on account. You'll be able to see all of the amount that you have converted just right now from crypto wallet to your fiat balance. Then you'll be able to see all of your fiat balance here. And then if you try to withdraw the amount, then you won't get an insufficient balance error on crypto.com application.